Good morning, students. Today we are here to understand the second part of chapter number 3, What is Government, from your civics book. And in this part, we are going to study about the different levels of government, and we will also study the different types of government, what it means. So, in the previous part, we have discussed about the meaning of government, why we need government, and what is the function of government for any country. I hope you understood that part very well. Now let's begin with the levels of government. Now children, as you know, India is divided meaning. So I hope you will understand this much. Now we will study in detail about all the three forms of government, that is democratic, monarchy, and third one is dictatorship. So first we will study about democracy. Democracy क्या होता है? So word democracy is derived from the Greek word demos. Democracy word जो है वो कहाँ से आया है? Demos Greek word से आया है, Greek language से आया है. इसका मतलब होता है people, लोग. Understood? Which means and kratos means rule. यानी democracy का मतलब है it is the people who gave the government the power to make decision. यहाँ पर democracy में लोग जो है गवर्नमेंट को पावर देते हैं डिसीजन लेने के लिए. Because in democracy we are selecting our government. Understood children? By the means of election. Election I already told you what it is. So election के माध्यम से जब लोगों के द्वारा सरकार को चूज किया जाता है, उनको सरकार को कोई पावर दी जाती है, that government is called democratic form of government या वो प्रोसेस democracy कहलाता है. In a democratic system elections are periodic. Democratic system में elections periodic हो सकते हैं. Periodic मतलब एक फिक्स पीरियड के बाद, जैसे हमारे यहाँ हर 5 साल में इलेक्शन होते हैं और कभी-कभी कुछ कारणवश कोई रीजन आ जाता है ऐसा तो बीच में भी इलेक्शन हो जाते हैं. बट टाइम इज फिक्स फॉर इलेक्शन, दैट इज आफ्टर एवरी 5 years we are electing our own representative and each adult has right to vote. Now adult कौन है? One who completes the 18 years. So हमारी कंट्री में जो 18 years complete कर लिया, the person who become adult, he has right to vote children. At the time of election they can vote for a person of their choice and these elected representative form the government. The biggest advantage of this system of government is to explain its activity and decision to the people. If the people are not satisfied with the function of the government, they may not vote for their representative in the next election. क्योंकि we people are selecting our own representative in democratic form of government, then government is responsible for answering our question. ठीक है? So at the time of election, government is giving its agenda, उनका manifesto बताती है कि हम आपके लिए क्या-क्या करेंगे. If the government is not fulfilling all these points which is given in their agenda, so next time the people are not choosing that form of government, that particular party or that particular person. So this all about democracy. I hope you will understood the democracy. In short, we can say that democracy is a form of government which is selected by the people. It is for the people. Okay, लोगों के द्वारा सिलेक्ट करी गई है और लोगों के लिए सिलेक्ट करी गई है और लोग ही जो है गवर्नमेंट को बनाते हैं. So that's all for the democracy children. I hope you will understood. Now we will move the next form of government, that is monarchy form of government. Now what it is, now we will understand. In a monarchy, the monarch or a king or a queen has the power to run the country. monarchy form of government में either king or a queen, जिसको monarch भी बोला जाता है, उनके पास पूरा पावर होता है to rule the country. Understood? The king or the queen is the head of the government and he has the power to take all the important decisions. Understood? So king or queen वो जो होते हैं गवर्नमेंट के हेड होते हैं और उन्हीं के पास ये सारा पावर होता है जो भी important decision लेना है कंट्री के रिगार्डिंग. When the monarch dies, the power passes to the eldest child who then become the monarch. और जैसे ही राजा मरता है अंडरस्टूड। सो यहाँ पर क्या होता है डिक्टेटरशिप में, एक कोई पर्सन है जो अपने पावर के यूज कर कर किसी कंट्री को राज करता है। यहाँ पर ये जरूरी नहीं है कि वो पर्सन बिलोंग्स टू द राजघराना, ओके, वो राजा हो ये जरूरी नहीं है। ही कैन बी एनी पर्सन, लेकिन वो पूरा कंट्री को अपने ओन में पावर में लेकर, कंट्रोल में लेकर पूरा कंट्री को रन करेगा। दैट इज द गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज अ डिक्टेटर फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट। And in the authoritarian government or the dictatorship, this type of government, the dictator has been to be the sole and absolute power, and his or her word becomes the law. It is undesirable form of government. यहाँ पर लोग जो है उनको बहुत परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ सकता है। Like जर्मनी में जो था एडोल्फ हिटलर was under the dictatorship. जर्मनी किसके डिक्टेटरशिप में थी? एडोल्फ हिटलर। या अभी आप आगे की क्लास में हिस्ट्री में पढ़ोगे कि ही इज अ डिक्टेटर और उसने लोगों के ऊपर